The 2027 BYD T5 Motorhome is setting a new standard for electric recreational vehicles, combining luxury, cutting-edge technology, and sustainability all in one sleek package. This motorhome is designed for travelers who want comfort, efficiency, and advanced features without compromise. From the moment you step inside, you can feel that BYD has taken every detail into account, creating an experience that rivals high-end hotels on wheels. The exterior of the 2027 BYD T5 Motorhome features a modern, aerodynamic design that enhances efficiency while providing a striking presence on the road. It comes with a fully electric powertrain, offering zero emissions and whisper-quiet operation, which makes long trips more enjoyable and eco-friendly. The body is built with lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring stability and safety, while advanced LED lighting provides both functionality and a touch of elegance. Under the hood, the BYD T5 Motorhome is powered by a high-capacity electric battery system that delivers impressive range, perfect for long-distance trips without frequent recharging. The motor produces enough torque for smooth acceleration and handling, even on steep inclines or highway driving. Regenerative braking helps extend the range further, converting energy back into the battery whenever you slow down or brake, making every mile more efficient. Charging options are flexible, with fast charging capabilities allowing you to recharge up to 80% in less than an hour at compatible stations, or full overnight charging for maximum convenience. Inside, the 2027 BYD T5 Motorhome is a showcase of luxury and smart design. The living space is spacious, with high ceilings and cleverly arranged furniture that maximizes comfort and usability. The seating area includes ergonomic chairs and a multifunctional dining table that can be adjusted or folded to save space. Large panoramic windows provide abundant natural light and stunning views, while high-quality insulation keeps the cabin temperature comfortable in any weather. Smart climate control ensures the perfect temperature throughout the vehicle, whether you're in the heat of summer or the chill of winter. The kitchen area in the BYD T5 Motorhome is fully equipped, making it easy to prepare meals on the road. It includes an induction cooktop, a refrigerator with ample storage, a microwave, and plenty of cabinets and drawers for organizing your utensils and groceries. A water filtration system ensures clean drinking water at all times, and energy-efficient appliances help conserve battery life. The bathroom features a modern shower, a compact toilet, and smart storage solutions, all designed to maximize space without compromising comfort. High-quality finishes and materials throughout the interior give it a sophisticated and durable feel, making it easy to maintain even on extended trips. Technology and connectivity are key highlights of the BYD T5 Motorhome. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, media, and vehicle diagnostics. Voice control and smartphone integration allow you to manage functions without distraction, while advanced driver assistance systems provide safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Additional features include a solar panel system for supplementary power, energy-efficient LED lighting throughout, and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it easy to work or stream entertainment wherever you are. The 2027 BYD T5 Motorhome comes in multiple trim levels, each designed to suit different travel needs and budgets. The base model offers all the essential comfort and technology features, while higher trims include premium furnishings, larger battery capacity for extended range, and advanced luxury touches like an upgraded entertainment system, enhanced upholstery, and extra storage solutions. BYD has ensured that every model balances performance, convenience, and sustainability without compromise. Price-wise, the 2027 BYD T5 Motorhome is positioned competitively in the electric RV market. The base model starts at approximately $120,000, offering exceptional value given its range, technology, and build quality. Mid-range trims are priced around $140,000 to $160,000, while fully loaded luxury versions can exceed $180,000. Considering the electric drivetrain, reduced maintenance costs, and fuel savings compared to traditional gas-powered motorhomes, the T5 offers a compelling long-term investment for travelers seeking both adventure and sustainability. Overall, the 2027 BYD T5 Motorhome represents the next generation of electric recreational vehicles, blending practicality, innovation, and luxury into a single package. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or long cross-country adventures, this motorhome provides comfort, efficiency, and advanced technology to make every journey memorable. Its electric powertrain ensures that you travel in a cleaner, quieter, and more enjoyable way, while the thoughtfully designed interior keeps you connected and comfortable wherever the road takes you. With multiple trims and a competitive starting price, the BYD T5 Motorhome is poised to redefine what travelers expect from an electric RV, making it an ideal choice for modern adventurers who want the best of both worlds: sustainable driving and high-end comfort. If you're excited about the 2027 BYD T5 Motorhome, don't forget to check out local dealers for test drives and availability. With its combination of innovation, luxury, and sustainability, it's one of the most compelling motorhomes on the market today, perfect for those ready to embrace the future of electric travel.